So now that you've unboxed your CTC MIDI, let's walk through the process of setting up everything that comes with the unit itself. The unit comes with 27mm hose. It also comes with a self-cleaning filter bag and a Bluetooth remote. To set up the self-cleaning filter bag is fairly straightforward. On the sides, there's two large latches. Unhook those, pull the top of the unit off. Then you'll take the bag, and there's tabs on either side. One tab, the flat side, will go into this area right here, and then the other tab will latch in to that side. Unfold the bag. Now you can reinstall the top, latch the two sides, and that part is ready to go. Installing the hose couldn't be any easier. There's two ends of the hose. The narrow end is the tool end with this green knob on it, and that green knob will allow you to adjust the suction. The large end goes in the top. To access that, open up the hose garage, then install the hose into the opening. And you can run the hose out in two different fashions, out through the top and still close the hose garage, or if you wanted to, you can run it through this gap right here. So not only will the CTC MIDI work as a dust extractor, if I remove the hose and I open up this door right here and plug it in this way, now it'll work as a blower feature as well. And you can notice that by the description right here on the side. And if I want to put it back into dust extractor mode, I simply install it back in there, close the knob, and I'm ready to go. The HEPA filter comes pre-installed in the CTC MIDI on the side. This is also where you can install a wet filter element to use the CTC MIDI as a wetback.